We're going to do one of the many police sets in the LEGO City Collection today, the Police Helicopter Transport Set 60244. It's got three parts to it. It's got the little chopper and getaway cart in Book 1, the front of the truck in Book 2, and then the trailer in Book 3. This is one of those strange sets that kind of has larger pieces already assembled. Just got to really pop the windshield on. So there's our minifig in there driving, but we're going to build the truck to transport this thing. So yeah, here we go. Hope you enjoy. So we have our finalized police helicopter transport. We got the motorcycle, the little red getaway car, but outside of that, the bigger set, we have the helicopter transporter. So I like the two gray mechanisms here that kind of lock the helicopter into place. Doesn't really go anywhere. Hopefully. There it goes. All right. On the side over here, you got the door with the police computer communication systems. Gotta like that. Then turn it around the other way, you got the jail door where the bad guy goes, and he's not seatbelted in, so he's flying around. But yeah, that is the police helicopter transport. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.